वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनौ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनौ देवकी परमानन्दौ देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं दैवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. I offer my humble salutations to Sri Vedavyasa, by whose grace today we are able to dwell into the Bhagavad Gita. Directly dwelling into the second chapter, where Sri Krishna has told Arjuna that this is an act of cowardice, something which a Veera, a Shura like Arjuna should not do. He continues to give Arjuna a lot of advice. But before that, Arjuna has a few more, I would call it requests to place to Sri Krishna, a few more clarifications to get from Sri Krishna. So he says, Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronam cha madhusudanam yishubhih pratiyotsyami Pujarha Varisudanam. Ari Sudana. Ari means enemy, Sudana means killer. Ari Sudana refers to Sri Krishna here, a person who destroys those in the path of adharma. He asks, Katham Bhishmam Aham Sankhye. Katham, how? Bhishmam, how do I kill Bhishma? Krishna, Dronam cha Madhusudana. How do I kill Drona? Do you understand what you are asking of me? Katham Bhishma Maham Sankhye. Katham Drona Maham Sankhye. Madhusudana, you are asking me to kill Bhishma and Drona. Ishubhif Pratiyotsyami Pujarha. These two people who are displayed on the slide, Bhishma and Drona, one is my grandfather, great-grandfather, one is my guru. Both of these people are Pujarha. Arha means eligible. Pujarha means eligible for worship. My forefather, one of my forefather and one of my guru is going to do battle against me. How do I fight with all might? It is going to be very difficult, Krishna. These two people are like God for me, and you are asking me to fight them. It has come to a very bad situation, Krishna. He continues saying, Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan shreyo bhogdum bhaikshyamapi haloke hatvartha kamanstu guruni haiva bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Bhunjiya bhogan. Bhunjiya means to beg. Guruna hatvahi mahanubhavan. Having killed my own guru, having killed my own forefather, great-grandfather, Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. I beg pardon, bhaikshya is begging. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam api iha loke. It is much better, O Krishna, to become a saint and beg for my food every day. To become a sannyasi beg for my food every day, consume whatever I get because of the practice of going from house to house and asking for rice. That seems to be a much more honorable option than Gurun Hatva, than killing my gurus. That seems a more valid, eligible, honorable, noble option. Hatvartha kamanstu guruni haiva bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Having killed our own guru, having watched their own blood spill, what is the joy? What will we be able to enjoy? Will we be able to enjoy the outcome of the war? Assume we win the war. Won't it be Rudhira Pradigdhan? Rudhira means blood. Rudhira Pradigdha means blood stained. Won't the outcome be blood stained, Krishna? Having killed so many people, having killed my guru, having killed my Prapitamaha, won't it be? Won't it be blood stained? Tell me. And he continues saying, न चेतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः न च एतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयो यत् वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यान एव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. The people with whom we wanted to share our result, with whom we wanted to share our happiness after we win the war, we wanted to construct a house for Bhishma, construct a house for Drona, give them a palace, give them happiness, serve them, but everything is gone because Yaneva Hatvan and Jijivishamaha. To the people for whom we are fighting this war, Teva Sthita Pramukhe Dhartarashtra. They have themselves joined the enemy. They have become a part of the enemy. The people for whom we are fighting this war, after the war, these are the people who we want to serve, do puja to. These people have joined our enemies, the Dhartarashtra side. How is this bearable, Krishna? Aren't we living only for these people? Who do we have in our corner? We have our mother, Kunti. We have you, our uncle. Apart from that, we don't have any much of a relation. We have father-in-laws, yes, but they will be in their own respective kingdom. They won't come here and stay with us in Hastinapura or Indraprastha. So whom will we serve? We can serve our mother, we can serve Vidura, we can serve the Dhritarashtra. But will Dhritarashtra, Pita, Father Dhritarashtra and Mother Gandhari accept our prayers, accept our puja to them? Having killed their own children, if we go and serve them, will they accept it? Will they be happy with it? Won't they curse us for having killed their children? And apart from that, the only family we had was our Guru. Is our Guru and is our Prapitamaha, our grandfather, great-grandfather, Sri Bhishma. And you are telling me to eliminate these two people? This war will lead to elimination of all our cousins. Will destiny ever forgive us for this war where we killed an entire Kaurava clan and great warriors like Karna? Will it forgive us? Will it be a happy ending? After the war, will we be able to even smile? We don't know how many people we are going to lose. Will all the 5 brothers be alive after the war? Even if one brother is injured, it will cause us pain. How do we fight this war? And for the people whom we are fighting this war, none of them seem to be happy because of it. when we are doing something, the people for whom we are doing the action, they must be happy with it. But here the people who are doing the action itself are not happy. I am scared because Bhrata Yudhishthira might get injured, Bhrata Bhima might get injured, Bhrata Nakula might get injured, Bhrata Sahadeva might get injured, our children might get injured, our fathers might get injured. By father, he means father-in-laws. Every person has this fear and grief in their mind all the time. After the war, if we lose or win, it is still not going to matter, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to be happy. We don't know if the sons of Dhritarashtra will be happy having killed all of us. But I am sure we will not be happy having killed all the Kauravas, he says. Karpanyadoshopahatasvabhavah pritchami tvam dharma sammudachetaah yat shreyasyan nishchitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam. This is probably the most important verse Arjuna ever utters. He says, Karpanya dosho pahatas svabhavah pritchami tvam dharma sammuda chedaah yat shreyasyan nishchitam bruhi tanme shishyaha te aham shadhimam tvam prapannam. Krishna, dharma sammuda chedaah, we have become confused in what is dharma. We do not know what is dharma right now. Completely fumbled. Please, Krishna, karpanya dosho pahatas svabhavah pritchami tvam. I am asking you, Krishna, yat shreyasyaha, tell me what is right and what is wrong. Nishchitam. Here, very important word is nishchitam, because tell me in clarity, tell me in definition. Don't give me a choice. Don't tell me you can do this or that. I am already confused. I'll become even more confused. Don't give me a choice, O Krishna. Yat shreyasyan nishchitam bruhi tanme. Yat shreyaha becomes yat shreyaha because of sandhi. Yat shreyaha. Tell me which is good, which is correct. Nishchitam. Tell me definitely. Don't give me a choice. Because, O Krishna, shishyaha te aham shadhimam tvam prapannam. Forget I am your friend at this point of time. I am your shishya. I am your disciple right now. And acting as a guru, please instruct me on what is viveka, what is aviveka, what is dharma, what is adharma, what is karma, what is sukarma, what is vikarma. Please give me clarity on all this, because right now, dharma sammuda cheta. Completely, I have lost the definition of dharma. I have misunderstood. I lack a proper understanding. I don't know what to do. Please, O Krishna, please help me, because I am your disciple. I think most of us will be able to understand the desperation of Arjuna here. The sense of desperation where he is unable to do anything. He is not able to make decisions. All of us would have been there in the state in one part of our life or other, where we find it extremely difficult to make a choice, and we go and ask our parents or our teachers who can guide us. And here Arjuna asks the divine Paramatman himself for guidance. Who better than Sri Krishna? Hoping that Sri Krishna, just like how he becomes the guru for Arjuna, hoping that he becomes our guru too in our life, helps us go to great heights by making the proper choice. I conclude my session for today by placing my prayers on the lotus feet of Bhagavan, Paramatma, Sri Krishna and all the gods, and asking them, praying them, requesting them to help us all out of difficult situations by guiding us and and showing us the path of dharma. Govindeti sada dhyanam, Govindeti sada japam, Govindeti sada dhyanam, sada Govinda kirtanam. स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः सज्जनाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।